Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Rotoscope. So what is Rotoscope? Rotoscope is nothing but taking an animated video or a GIF image and then converting it into an art form. So there is this really cool Instagram video that I came across, and let's Rotoscope. So the one that I liked is this. Using this video, I'm going to teach you how to rotoscope. Step 1 is to download the video. There are a lot of free websites that will allow you to download videos from Instagram. So use one of them. You can just Google it up. Cool. Now that you have decided the video that needs to get animated, the next step is to import the file into Procreate. And how do you do that? Step 2. Open Procreate, click on Import File, choose the path where the file is saved, and voila, start importing. After the importing is complete, you should see something like this. The video should appear on your Procreate app, and you would already see that this Procreate app is quite smart enough to spread out each and every frame. So we have all the frames already listed down here. Step 3, select one layer at a time. Add a layer on top of this and start tracing over this layer with a color you like. In this case, I've chosen monoline, which is the easiest and most nicest brush I've seen. Choose a color of your preference and just start tracing. Now click on the next layer. Once you're done with this, unselect all of these. Click on the next layer, add a new layer on top of it. Should go on top of it. And start tracing again, probably with a different color now. Next step, after you've finished tracing, start deleting the layers that you no longer need. You can do a multiple delete by just selecting the layers and click on delete. And all you need to do is watch your animation go live.